Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to use car payment calculator on CarMax. So if you want to use the car payment calculator on CarMax, first of all what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in carmax.com. After that you'll be led to the official website of CarMax. Simply select the car for which you want to calculate the payment calculator. You can see over here I have already selected this car. You'll be able to see the car details over here. So if you want to use the payment calculator, over here you'll be able to find the icon for calculator. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to access the payment calculator over here. You'll have to enter the information like down payment, credit rating and term length over here. It will be selected by default, but you can edit it if you want. For example, if you want to edit the down payment, click on the field of down payment. Now what you have to do is erase the initial down payment and enter the amount over here. Now after you do that, also select the credit rating. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Likewise, also select the term length. Simply click on the field of term length. Now select the term length over here. Now after you select all these, you'll be able to see the estimated monthly payment over here. Also, you'll be able to find the estimated APR. Also, you'll be able to see the pricing summary. Simply click on the field of pricing summary. Now you'll be able to find the information like vehicle tax, estimated tax, titles and fees and down payment. Also, you'll be able to see the total over here. So like this, you'll be able to use the car payment calculator. So that is how you use car payment calculator on CarMax. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.